Welcome to my content. In this video, I will show you how to enable future dated payment as a bills payable in Oracle Cloud Payable. As you know that a bill payable or a future dated payment instructs your bank to disperse funds to your supplier's bank on a specific date, known as the maturity date. The payment method that defaults onto the invoice or is entered in the invoice is what controls whether that invoice is paid as a bill payable. You can create also bill payables using any payment method if it's enabled for bills payable creation. So let's get into application to show you how to either create a new payment method or enable the option of bill payable for the existing payment method. Just go to setup and maintenance, select the track as a financial, go to payables and search by manage payment method. Manage payment method, again manage payment methods. You can search for any existing payment method or I will create a new one. Once you create, the system will ask you to enter the name and code. Payable and code bill payable. Description the same of the name. Alias, you can enter alias from which date it will be applicable for using. For usage rules, I will keep it as a. Go to bills payable to enable bills payable. Here you can as an option to enter the date as override for maturity. Once you finished, you can save and close. So this is our payment method and how to define a new payment method with a bills payable or enabled the same option for any existing payment method. Done. The other one to enable also the same for manage payment process profile, either for the existing payment profile or you are going to create a new payment method profile, payment process profile. So let me search to show you how to enable. For example, I will select this one. Here in the payment file, you will find the option of bills payable. So you can enable it or you can create a new one for the payment grouping under payment file. Payment grouping rules specify how payment files are created when this payment process profile is used. For example, if you select payment date, so only payments that have the same payment dates will be grouped into a single payment file, as well as payment function, payment reason, bills payable, grouped by business unit, and so on. I will cancel. Yes. So this is a setup how to enable or create payment method for bills payables, how to update payment process profile. Now we are going to talk about how to create, or this will be an example process for registering a future dated payment. Go to payable, invoice, create a new one, select the business unit, supplier name Alex, supplier site and number, bill payable, around 10,000. I will keep it in, and the maturity will be net 30. Keep it 1 to December. Then go to line to enter the line details, code combination and the amount. Select your values of your segments, and here 10,000. Go to right to enter the budget date if you enable the budget control, and tax classification code either 0 or any other rate. Before saving, go to action, manage installment, to select payment method which is enabled for Bills Payable. Save and close. Okay. Here also you can select the maturity date or the due date, either this. I can keep it in 1 December. Save and close. Okay. Save. Okay, try to validate and approve and create accounting. Status is still not validated. Once you validated, the status changes to validated. So go to approval, either initiate or force approval. I will go to option force approval. Now try to post to ledger. Okay. Then go to register the payment for the same supplier, for the same payment method. Create a payment, select the same business unit, same supplier. Okay. And payment date, I will put it the same of the invoice. Disbursement, bank account, what is the payment method? The same payment method. What the payment process profile? PayPal. Go to advanced to put maturity date. I will put it 1st of December. Again, come back to payment details and enter the invoices. I have 2 invoices, 9,700. We put it before 10,000, and this, the net between 10 and 9,700 is went for withholding tax. So I will select the same. You can pay all or just select any other amount. I will pay 2,500. Save and close. So here from advanced you enter the maturity date and select the same invoice. Again, you can search for the payment. Search. You will find the payment status is issued. Issued because of what? Because of Bills Payable payment method. Now, okay, this is the number. I will go to tools to run schedule process. From tools, schedule processes, submit new process, update matured Bills Payable status. Okay. System will ask you to fill some parameters like business unit and the maturity date. Maturity date is 1st of December or 2nd, whatever the same date or any date after the matured date. You have the option also to select bank account, payee as a supplier side, submit. There is one process submitted. Once its status became or succeeded, you can come back again to the payment, manage payment, search by the payment number, search. Now the status changed to negotiable. Click on the payment number. If you go to action to check the view first accounting, you have account, okay, no problem, I will post to ledger, and negotiable changed, and unaccounting. The first unaccounted is future date payment. The first one here, this is the first between the liability and future date payment as a credit. Second one is future date payment will be closed as a netting with cash clearing. As you know, once you clear this payment from cash management, the cash clearing will be closed as a debit and the bank account will be credit. So this is the full cycle of the future date payment, how to create payment method, how to the example of this payment bills payable, and also this is a normal process for one step of the ending close period of the payable, that you have to updated matured date payment bills payable for all of the issued payment status. Thanks for watching. I hope to subscribe my channel if you like my content. Thank you.